How to turn on or turn off Broadcast Sound Improve Compatibility on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on Connections. Then in here, go down and tap on Bluetooth. Next, tap on the More button, and then tap on Broadcast Sound using Oralcast. Next, in here, tap on Improve Compatibility. Tap on this feature, tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch it off before you starting to broadcast. After that, you can tap on the Start Broadcast button to broadcast your sound with more compatibility so that more devices can connect to your device, such as hearing aids and other audio devices. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.